There is a place in East Tennessee that is so tranquil and placid. How could you resist the opportunity of a lifetime at this estate? Welcome to 2928 Dug Gap Road in Louisville, Tennessee. This is an updated, gated, and fenced mini farm on over 7 acres. Take the gently rolling drive to its center. This palatial, over 5,200 square foot home, surrounded by a large fenced pasture and small paddock, with more surprises to come in this video. Step inside. This home is beautifully appointed with rich wood flooring throughout. Recent updates build upon the solid original construction to make this the perfect home for living, working, and of course, entertaining. Lots of glass in every room, like these bay windows, affords maximum visibility all around with picturesque views. See? Check out the breakfast nook and the expansive island kitchen. It's all new with stainless appliances, counters of granite, and convenience virtually all around you. There's a spacious pantry and a very nearby laundry room with a chute. A sweeping grand staircase takes you to the upper levels. These private master suites are much more than just bedrooms. And beyond, a heated and cooled third level with its own private staircase. It's perfect for expansion or storage. And below in the basement level, a 4th master suite, along with office, gym, even a media room. This can be the ideal farm with this 3-stall barn and hayloft, providing plenty of storage for your equipment. There's also plenty of space for leisure at this private covered patio, a children's play area, and a fire pit. This is a property you must see, with a host of amenities throughout. 2928 Dug Gap Road in the idyllic community of Louisville, Tennessee, is an estate awaiting your private tour. Call Melanie Sims of New Creation Real Estate direct at 865-310-9641.